You know what? If MKBHD had included the TECNO Pova in his blind camera test, I reckon the TECNO Pova would have won that competition. Ouch! What was that for? Hello guys, Valor Reviews here. Now before I go on with the TECNO Pova's review, let's give a 2-second silence for the discontinued TECNO Pova. They kind of sound the same. Stop interrupting me, I'm busy. Anyways, the TECNO Pova is faster and more powerful. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 6GB of RAM and a 6000 mAh battery. For a device that costs 77,000 Naira or $177, is the TECNO Pova an upgrade or a downgrade? Well, in this video, we're going to find out. Looking at the smartphone, on the left side, it comes with a dedicated Google Assistant button, which I found not to be useful because I can activate the Google Assistant using my voice and the button is not remappable. The Google Assistant button is a bit flush with the body and this will limit accidental press thanks to the design. It also comes with a dual SIM tray and a memory card slot. At the top there's nothing. I wish it came with a secondary microphone to improve the audio while recording a video. On the right side is where you'll find the volume keys and the power button. At the bottom it comes with a microphone, a micro USB port and a 3.5mm audio jack. Hey, won't a USB Type-C port help with marketing the Pova? Just leave me alone. Moving to the speaker, it's located at the top, which I like. This makes it impossible to block the sound if you're holding your smartphone in landscape mode and it sounds very good. And that's because it's facing up, pointing towards your ears. Still at the front, it comes with an 8MP camera inside the display with dual flashlights and there's also a battery charging indicator tucked in right there as well. Moving to the rear, it comes with a fingerprint scanner that unlocks the smartphone instantly. It's really fast, but I would have preferred if it came with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner like other smartphones around its price range. There's also a quad camera setup with an LED flashlight. More on that to come when we get to the camera comparison section of this video. Now back to the front of this device, the TECNO Pova comes with a 6.8-inch IPS LCD display. It's a 720p display with maximum brightness at 480 nits. Hey, you know what? If it came with a 1080p display, that would have been a big deal. Maybe you should start making smartphones. The size of the display helps with typing and in drawing you into having an immersive experience. The camera in the display doesn't interfere with what you're watching. For YouTube, I would recommend you crank up the resolution to 720p and leave it right there to get the best quality. Now moving on to the area where the TECNO Pova has improved drastically, and that's in the performance department. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G80 processor and that is one fast processor. Here's the Antutu benchmark score of this device and for the Geekbench, here's the score. With the Antutu score of 198,289, the TECNO Pova is faster than the Samsung M31 and almost as fast as the Redmi 9. Multitasking is one of the pros of this device as it comes with 6GB of RAM. For power users, the TECNO Pova can easily switch between apps and retain them in the background without the app resetting. For gaming, this smartphone can play titles like PUBG, Call of Duty, Mobile Legends, World War Heroes just fine with good frame rate. I made a gaming video with the FPS meter by the side. If you're interested in checking out the gaming capacity of the TECNO Pova, the link will be in the description of this video. At the front, the TECNO Pova comes with an 8MP camera and surprisingly, it doesn't look bad. It seems like TECNO has improved its camera software as skin tones looks way better. Photo shots look good as well. Hello guys, so here's the video from the front-facing camera of the TECNO Pova. It right now is shooting in 2K and that's the highest resolution. It doesn't have image stabilization, so what do you guys think about the video quality of the TECNO Pova using the 8MP front-facing camera? Switching to the rear, the main camera is a 30MP sensor. It also has a 2MP camera, 2MP depth camera, and I'm guessing an AI camera. Launching the camera and taking burst pictures is really fast. Images captured look good. 4x zoom, which is the maximum zoom range, looks okay. Macro shots look okay as well. And now this is the rear camera of the TECNO Pova. Also, it's shooting in 2K. What do you guys think about the video quality coming out from the TECNO Pova? Doesn't look bad. Battery life on the TECNO Pova is impressive. It did 16 hours screen on time with brightness and audio at the maximum. I made a video on that, and if you're interested in watching that video, links will be in the description of this video. In summary, the TECNO Pova is well built and it's durable. The display resolution at 720p is not what people will pick if they had the choice. The processor is fast, multitasking is good, the camera is okay, and the battery life is best in class. TECNO is marketing the Pova as a power giant that is powerful and speedy, and I agree with that. So that's my review of the all-new TECNO TECNO Pova. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel Valor Reviews. I'll really appreciate that, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Valor, signing out.